explore the stunning geography of Paraguay. Imagine a place where nature's diversity thrives in harmony, a land of untamed wilderness and lush green expanses. Welcome to Paraguay, a hidden gem in South America's heart. Though landlocked, its natural beauty and vibrant geography captivate adventurous souls from across the globe. The Paraguay River slices the country into two striking regions. To the east, fertile lands teem with life, rolling hills, subtropical forests, and endless farmlands. To the west lies the Gran Chaco, an arid frontier of rugged beauty, sparse populations, and an untamed spirit waiting to be explored. Paraguay's diverse landscapes foster extraordinary biodiversity, from exotic wildlife in shaded forests to vast plains supporting agriculture. This country pulses with life and possibility. It's a living canvas for travelers seeking unmatched serenity, adventure, and connection to nature's finest creations. Are you ready to lose yourself in the breathtaking contrasts of Paraguay's geography? Let its tranquil beauty and wild terrain inspire your next travel adventure. Like the river weaving through its land, go where the currents take you, and let Paraguay leave its mark on your soul. Visit now and let the journey begin.